收到啦。咩啊？好多錢？
搞錯，佢帶住咁大把刀嘅。
明白。
情報話目標喺南邊過緊嚟啊。
嗯，清楚。OK，各單位準備，同我睇實佢。
你捉個 Wei Shen 先好啊。
I'm not fucking blind.
Relax, old boy. We're on the same side, remember?
條友都幾串喎。喂，有冇貨
Yeah, you got the money?
喂，情報右邊
咩啊？
有個碼頭警衛，佢由後面上緊嚟啊！
揾人截住佢啦！
冇可能，我哋呢度太遠啦，
細路唔好亂嚟啊！
Look, I can get you 3 keys a week if you want.
睇下點？
What? My shit's not good enough for you?
喂，究竟發生咩事啊？
咩啊？邊撚過你？
停手，咪喐！
Come, my friend. Just Are you crazy? No, don't. Maybe we can sort something out, huh?
你兇我啊！你知唔知我係邊個啊？
所有伙計唔好俾佢走得啦！截住佢！
好傷害我啊 ！Fucking hell! Don't do it, man! Don't do it!
俾我見啊！過嚟啊
Let's go! Shit! Come on! Oh, what's the nets? Do you see anyone? I think they're after Wu! Crazy fuck! Hurry up! Oh shit! Run! Run!
關大場面，
你到底死大鑊啊 Stay with me! 講㗎 Come on! Hurry up! They're on us! Come on! Come on! Are you crazy? Keep moving! Keep going! 冇喐 getting me! 冇喐啊 Where's these guys? 打人 Son of a bitch!
捉住佢！捉住佢！唔好俾佢走啦！
捉住佢！捉住佢！佢走唔到㗎啦！呢個我要拉你，咪喐㗎！我要拉你，走！我想死啊！
Wei Shen? Man, this is going to be great.
Still getting used to being back, huh?
Yeah. So Winston's a Red Pole now?
All this territory is Winston's. But Dog Eyes is pushing in.
If they're both
Red Pole, shouldn't they be on the same side? Should be. Dog Eyes always was an asshole.
बोल कल बनी किन न बोल भनी आछु म यहाँ भिडियो बनाइएको छु
Hey, you May, how are you, baby?
Jackie, you know my parents don't want you to talk to me.
Your parents don't even... 睇下你有冇打出去。
我今日你搞錯咗喎！
打3條狗啊！
打到你撚緊仆街！
好驚！
你認唔到我㗎啦，廢仔啊！腳軟咧，啱啦，中爆佢，打撚爆你個頭！嗌啊！我呢鋪食撚硬你㗎！
我會唔會有事㗎？
睇下你有冇命出去！
到底係咩事咁恐怖啊？
打佢！打佢先得係嘛？
我會唔會有事㗎？
我呢鋪食撚硬你㗎！
到底係咩事啊？我哋識唔識打3條
打佢！
狗啊？
撚緊仆街！
到底係咩事？
揼多佢兩錘，揼佢！睇下你有冇命行出去！
要走啊！
你咁都大鑊啊！打撚爆你個頭！靚仔，驚咪走先啦！
好驚啊！究竟發生咩事啊？
你老味，同我打大力啲！打撚爆你個頭！
到底係咩事咁恐怖啊？
靚仔，驚咪走先啦！埋佢單！
發生咩事啊？我會唔會有事㗎？
啊！揾你老婆幫你收屍啦！幫佢收緊嘢未？
好似好多人驚咁嘅。
靚仔，驚咪走先啦！
好驚啊！
我呢鋪食撚硬你㗎！你咁都大鑊啊！打到你撚緊仆街！揾你老婆幫你收屍啦！
好驚啊！究竟發生咩事啊？
打撚爆你個頭！
究竟係咩事啊？我哋識唔識打
收佢皮！我呢鋪食撚硬你㗎！
好驚啊！究竟發生咩事
俾
啊？
啲你！打撚爆你個頭！靚仔，驚咪走先啦！揾你老婆幫你收屍啦！
到底係咩事咁恐怖啊？
打撚爆你個頭！
究竟係咩事啊？
殺晒佢哋！睇下你有冇命行出去！
好驚啊！究竟發生咩事啊？
我呢鋪食撚硬你嘅，同我打！靚仔，驚咪走先啦！中爆佢個頭！我今日一定會打爆你啊！埋佢單，埋佢單！睇下你有冇命行出去！同我揼撚死佢！你咁都大鑊啊！你認唔到我㗎啦，廢撚你嘅！傳啊嗱，傳啊嗱！睇下你有冇命行出去！靚仔，驚咪走先啦！打撚到佢殘廢為止！我幫你拉屎啦！打到你撚緊仆街！睇下你有冇命行出去！揾你老婆幫你收屍啦！點啊？好撚驚啊！腳軟咧！靚仔，驚咪走先啦！你老味，同我打大力啲！睇下你有冇命行出去！打佢撚緊仆街！
屌你老母啊！Kidding me？
你死硬啦！
Yeah, all right. Come the fuck on.
仆街，死撚緊啊！打佢老味！
睇你點走？
睇下你有冇命行出去！打撚爆你個頭！我頭響度，究竟佢係喐佢？我呢鋪食撚硬你㗎！靚仔，驚咪走先啦！
將佢斬食落咯
我呢鋪食撚硬你㗎！
！Come on！
靚仔，驚咪走先啦！
好驚啊！究竟發生咩事啊？
打佢老母！我呢鋪食撚硬你㗎！
撚樣啊！
打3條狗啊！
打出佢
靚仔，驚咪走先啦！
好似好多人
！Fuck you！
睇下你有冇命行出去！
Are you done？你冇㗎啦你！
究竟發生咩事啊？
嗰邊啊斬佢啊！
咩事啊？
快佢打啦！
好驚啊！究竟發生咩事啊？
打佢身台！
到底係咩事咁恐怖啊？究竟係咩事啊？我哋使唔使打3條狗啊？究竟咩事啊？好似好多人驚咁嘅。到底係咩事咁恐怖啊？
Damn, Wayne! What did they do to you in America?
Man? That looked nasty. You okay? Yeah, I'm okay. Bunch of fucking assholes. So, everything's cool? Here we are. Winston's mom owns the restaurant. So you're the tough guy that's everyone's talking about. Hey, you think you can fight? You like that? Oh, at the first punch. Come on, Duke. Don't go easy on him. What do you guys think? Sucks, right? How about that? You see that? So you're the tough guy that's everyone's talking about. Hey, you think you can fight? I bet you fall at the first punch. Come on, you like that? Don't go easy on him. You guys think? How about that? Sucks, right? That all you got? Come on, cowboy. You think you're hot shit, huh? Let's see what happens when shit gets real. All right, I'm gonna beat you and you're gonna take it. Break that smile off your face. You gonna back down? Come on, fight back.
Hello, boys.
Hey, 你哋搞乜撚嘢啊 ？Boss, we were just leaving. 走啦嚇。
And it was just getting interesting.
This will be easy. No problem. You just have to be strong. That's what people respect. So you mentioned your sister back there.
Mimi? Yeah, she OD years ago now. I mean, after we moved to the States, she tried to kick that shit, but
That sucks. She was, you know, really alive.
my mother thought maybe a new city, new country, but the hooks went deep.
And once you start on that shit, it's hard to stop. For anybody.
Yeah, when she started.
Oh, man. And it was Dog Eyes that got her into it?
Yep. Fucking dog eyes.
You gonna tell Winston?
No. You?
Shit, Wade. Winston's the boss, but when we were kids, you were the only person who was nice to me. You were my best friend, man. That means more than a boss, you know? Oh, okay.
Hey, you want food? Hey,
嘢做得幾好啊！我希望我快啲有
Joey Quan sells pirate DVDs. Let's start with him.
Don't you let me dress you？老娘我有咩風浪未見過？
Hey, little brother. We work for Winston.
I understand. How can I help?
Winston runs this place, and if you don't want trouble, you pay him. Period.
Of course, no problem.
我信你㗎，你唔好點喎！
You need anything? Just come ask.
你都擺咗我上台啦，我做得㗎。
我做得你係嘢啊，都唔見路嘅。
all the best CDs here. 你有冇加油㗎？
走馬啦！
Oh, watch it. Hey, come on. Hey, Reggie, you want Reggie?
咁大力中風啊！仲睇啊！一陣差佬嚟做啊！麻煩啦，走啦！
唔好意思啊，我咪太囉嗦啊，悶親你啊。You're right about that.
解攬啦！要呢解攬？
今日又俾老細鬧啊！我諗係佢鬧。
危險啊！小心啊！我抄我睇住啊！關我事㗎！
CDs, you want DVDs? Right here. You need anything? Just come ask.
I got special supplier。成日眼金金咁望過嚟，人有三衰六婆。老啦！依家
我都唔知點答你好。
係差咩擺實件縮埋開心老啦，睇唔到。有啲嘢好難講嘅。